What if I told you you can start selling your own software without even owning the software?
I would say, cool, great, but how am I supposed to do that?
Wait, you ain't hear about Membervio? Man, they are going stupid with these deals. They are giving you free courses, unlimited 5-pack courses to start setting up and sell for yourself. You don't even have to create them. They already got templates. You just customize them and set them up. It takes less than 10 minutes.
Less than 10 minutes, and then I get to start selling courses?
Yes, it's super simple. It's a step-by-step process. I can show you how to do it right now.
All right, let me see what you're talking about.
Told you it's already done for you. They already got the introduction, course businesses, and then they have worksheet checklists and accountability groups already for you.
Do you see it's already preloaded with content, so you don't even have to create anything.
And now we're going to create a membership product.
And now you just add a product name and a product description.
Now we're going to add a product image. It's already preloaded, so hit drop your image here.
You see it's already a preloaded image for you to use.
In this step, we're going to add the pricing for the product we are creating.
When somebody purchases your product, you can send them to a thank you page, and that's what I'm about to do.
Now we're going to set up how we're going to deliver this course. We can set up a welcome email. It already has everything preloaded inside of this course.
This is the inside of the product we just created. Yes, we don't have any modules yet, but we already have templates inside that they're going to give you to use to your full advantage.
We're going to hit up new module, and then this is the picture that we already uploaded. And for the first module in our new course, we're going to make it the introduction.
Then create a name, so we're going to call it intro video.
We're about to add content. We're going to add a video. Get the link inside the course already. Put it inside insert media, and then save it. And then you can see that we have our video right there for our introduction.
Alright, so you can see this is our influence marketer module, and we made our introduction. So this is how you set up your videos inside of your own personal module, guys. I told you it was gonna be fast.
Okay, I admit it, you right.
And these are my super insane bonuses for Membervio. Help you scale this 100% more, get you more sales and more traffic. Bonus number 1 is list building on steroids. Increase your profit list with list building on steroids. This is bonus number 2. This is the Fuego multiplier. Get the Fuego multiplier instant traffic with this tag. Number 3, this is the introduction to affiliate marketing. Make sure you grab my link below. Hit any of these pink buttons to get your copy of Membervio today. This is bonus number 4. Instagram marketing made simple and profitable. Consistently generate sales with this Instagram marketing technique. Dun-dun-dun-dun! Bonus number 5, special bonus. Take action today. Get the all vendor bonuses, guys. Click this link below, this pink button. Get Membervio right now. At a front end price of $67, you get 1 site, 5 products, 1,000 customers, 1 theme, and 0 transaction fees. And you have the second front end at $77. You got 1 site, 25 products, 5,000 customers, 10 themes, and 0 transaction fees. Click any of these pink buttons below. This is a limited time offer, so you have to move fast. It ends in 18 days.
And your bonuses is super freaking dope.
Well, thank you. You can get them only through my link below.